Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best Fender flare clips for your Toyota 4Runner, Tacoma, RAV4, and other Toyota models. If you're looking to replace or upgrade your Fender flare clips, bumper retainers, or fender liner fasteners, this pack from Xislet is a fantastic choice that promises durability, compatibility, and value. This set includes a total of 120 pieces of nylon fastener rivets specifically designed to fit a wide range of Toyota vehicles including the 4Runner, Tacoma, RAV4, Highlander, Land Cruiser, Camry, Corolla, and more. The clips come in two distinct colors, blue and orange, for easy identification, and they each come with a black foam backing to provide a tight seal and reduce any unwanted movement or vibration once installed. This design enhances the longevity of your clips and ensures a snug fit for your vehicle's exterior trim and wheel well aligners. Among the components, you get 30 pieces of blue clips and 30 pieces of orange clips. Each compatible with exterior door trim panels and rear plastic rocker panels, replacing several common part numbers. Additionally, the set includes 30 bumper fender liner retainers designed to fit 9mm by 9mm holes, and 30 nylon screw grommet nut retainers fitting 8mm by 8mm holes. This variety covers most of the common clip sizes needed for Toyota body and trim repairs or upgrades. Constructed entirely of durable nylon, these clips resist corrosion, wear, and harsh weather conditions, which is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's body integrity over time. The pack even comes with a handy metal removal tool, making the replacement process easier without damaging your fender flares or liners. Whether you're doing a full restoration or just replacing a few worn clips, this comprehensive pack offers a practical solution. Its compatibility with various Toyota models means you won't have to hunt down multiple parts from different sources. The quality nylon material combined with the foam seal ensures a secure, vibration-free fit, preventing rattles and loose fittings that could otherwise compromise your vehicle's look and performance. In summary, the Xislet 120-piece Fender Flare Clips Kit is an excellent option for Toyota owners seeking reliable, high-quality fasteners for their fender flares, bumpers, and liners. The extensive assortment, durable material, and included removal tool provide great convenience and value, making it the best choice to keep your 4Runner and other Toyota vehicles looking sharp and functioning properly. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product insights. See you next time.